This is class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject GSC. Subject GSC and date is 25th 11/2020 and we are studying lesson 3rd. Lesson 3rd, Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom. And now you see page number 16. See page number 16. Now in 16 we have studied about the animal with a backbone and animal without the backbone. Now we have to solve worksheet 3. Worksheet 3. So worksheet 3. So first we have to see the A. Write T for true, T for true, and F for false. So T for true and F for false. So now we have to see the first mammals. Now first question you see the animals that have a backbone are called invertebrate. So the animals that have a backbone are called invertebrates. No, it is incorrect. Because animals that have a backbone are called vertebrates. So first is false. So first is false and second, body of many fish is covered with scales. Body of many fish is covered with scale. Yes, it is true. It is true that body of many fish is covered with scales. It is true. So second is true. Now see the third. Birds are born out of hard-shelled eggs. Yes, it is correct. Birds are born out of hard-shelled eggs. It is correct. It is true. So third is also true. Now see the fourth. Reptiles breathe through gills. Reptiles breathe through gills. So you can see the reptiles as snakes, lizards, crocodile. Animals which breathe, only aquatic animals breathe through the gills. But you see the lizards are not aquatic, not found in the water. Snakes found in the water are on the lands. So it is incorrect because reptiles breathe through lungs, but here it is given reptiles breathe through the gills, so it is false. Fourth is false. Now see the fifth. All spiders have 8 legs. All spiders have 8 legs. Yes, it is true. It is true. All spiders have 8 legs. So this statement is true. Once again, we can see the animals that have a backbone are called invertebrates. So first you see the animals that have a backbone are called invertebrate. It is false. Second, body of many fish is covered with scales. It is true. Now third, birds are born out of hard-shelled eggs. It is also true. And fourth, reptiles breathe through gills. It is false. And fifth, all spiders have 8 legs. It is true. So in this way, first true and B false. Now see the B. Give 2 examples each of the following. So B. Now we can write B here. B can write B. Give 2 examples each of the following. Give 2 examples of each of the following. Give 2 examples of each of the following. So first is the reptile. First reptiles. 2 examples of reptiles. You are familiar to the snakes and lizards. What are 2 examples? Snakes and lizards or crocodiles. Lizards and the crocodiles. These are the examples of the reptiles. Now see next, that is mammals. Second one is mammals. Mammals. So first reptiles, second mammals. You know that in case of the mammals, we are included in the mammals as humans, cow, goat, buffalo. Humans, cow. These are the examples of mammals. Now next, amphibians. Now third one, amphibians. Amphibians. Examples of amphibians. Frogs, toads, as frog and toad. It is the example of the amphibians. And fourth, flightless birds. Fourth, flightless birds. Birds which cannot fly. Ostrich and emu. Ostrich, emu. These are the examples of the flightless birds. Now, it is better to write single word. We are writing here singular form. Snake, crocodile, humans, cow, frog, toad, ostrich, emu, and fifth, insects. Next, insects. You are familiar to housefly, butterfly, etc. Insects. Housefly and butterfly. Housefly and butterfly. These are the examples of insects. Once again, we can see. Give two examples of each of the following. So first, reptiles as the snake, crocodile, mammals, humans, cow, and amphibians, frog, toad, flightless birds, ostrich, emu, and insects, housefly, and butterfly. That's for today. Thank you.